Introducing 10 forbidden places in the world. 1. Area 51, Nevada, USA. This mysterious military base is off limits to the public and is surrounded by secrecy and conspiracy theories. 2. North Sentinel Island, India, home to the Sentinelese tribe. This island is highly restricted to protect the indigenous people and prevent outsiders from intruding. 3. Chernobyl exclusion zone, Ukraine, following the nuclear disaster in 1986. This area has been deemed uninhabitable due to high levels of radiation. 4. Svalbard Global Seed Vault, Norway. While visitors are not allowed inside the seed vault, it serves as a secure storage facility for seeds from around the world in case of a global catastrophe. 5. Vatican Secret Archives, Vatican City. This repository of historical documents and manuscripts is strictly off-limits to the public, with only authorized personnel granted access. 6. The Lascaux Caves, France. These prehistoric caves are closed to the public to preserve the ancient rock art paintings from deterioration. 7. Poveglia Island, Italy, known as the Island of Ghosts. This abandoned island is off-limits due to its dark history of being a quarantine station and mental asylum. 8. Snake Island, Brazil. This island is home to the critically endangered golden lancehead pit viper, making it too dangerous for visitors to access. 9. The Coca-Cola Vault, Georgia, USA, housing the secret formula for Coca-Cola. This vault is heavily guarded and inaccessible to the general public. 10. Missouri, Russia, believed to be a closed town with government facilities. Missouri is shrouded in secrecy and restricted to outsiders.